Hello everybody. It's like 10:30 at night on Tuesday, June 3rd, and we are here in LaGrange, Kentucky. Say hello to Virtual Rail Fan really quick. Anyway, this is night one of a little road trip I'm doing to Ohio and Kentucky and some of these areas. Mainly I'm going to work at a concert, but I figured I'm gonna pass a lot of cool train stuff on the way to that concert, so why not make a little trip out of it? And so we are starting in one of the coolest rail fanning towns, LaGrange, Kentucky. Unfortunately, the CSX LCL subdivision through LaGrange was about as asleep as the rest of the town, so I decided to move on. Well, as much as I love LaGrange, Kentucky, I have a feeling we are not going to see any trains tonight, but I also have a good feeling the next few days are going to make up for that. So how about we do some hotspot rail fanning across Ohio, shall we? I started June 4th along the CSX Toledo subdivision, and the ultimate goal of this day was ending up in Deshler, Ohio, the intersection of two major CSX lines. My love for the Toledo subdivision comes primarily from the B&O CPLs that still protect most control points between Cincinnati and Toledo. The Toledo sub led me into Lima, which is about as much of a railroad town as they get. CSX, Norfolk Southern, and a number of short lines all operate into town here. The first railroad that showed up for me was Norfolk Southern. Next, it was the Indiana and Ohio railroads turn to cross the Diamond. I kept rolling north and ended up in Deshler, where I spent the most of the remainder of the day. CSX action rarely stops here, with the Toledo sub going north and south, and the Willard/Garrett subdivision east and west. I believe Deshler is actually where these two subdivisions end and begin. The Toledo sub absolutely delivered for me in Deshler, and I was able to get most of the signal shots I wanted. My final stop for the day was Vickers Diamond in Toledo. This seems to be the favorite spot for many rail fans in the area, with Norfolk Southern's Chicago line providing most of the traffic, and the CSX Toledo terminal hosting a decent number of trains as well. June 5th was spent entirely on the Chicago line between Toledo and Sandusky, and the trains kept rolling the majority of the day. actually beat one of the trains we saw earlier to this next hotspot of the day, which is Bellevue, Ohio, a place that I haven't been for almost a decade. Not a whole lot has changed here, and NS still runs plenty of trains every day, which I really hope they would, considering the biggest yard of their system is right here in Bellevue. After that nice surprise of the Pennsy Heritage Unit leading a coal train, I decided to close out the day with a couple more trains on the Chicago line in Sandusky. And that would conclude the first half of my Ohio rail fanning trip, but stay tuned, I've got tons more videos on the way. In the meantime, thank you for watching.